Kansas City International Airport's new terminal is the largest single infrastructure project in the history of its city. Built to replace the original 3 terminals from 1972, which served just 3.8 million passengers annually, the airport can now accommodate more than 16 million people each year. It reimagines the travel experience, embodying the region's culture and elevating the airport into a place that is inclusive and accessible to all. The new 1.1 million square foot gateway is only the second in the U.S. to receive LEED v4 Gold certification in its category. It boasts 40 gates, a 6,200 space parking garage, and a comprehensive art program. The owner and SOM selected FSC certified wood and locally sourced stone for the finishes, complementing that natural materiality by exposing much of the steel structure. The new terminal was built on the old Terminal A site, and using resources responsibly, concrete from the old Terminal A was also crushed and recycled into subgrade and fill for the project's civil site work during construction. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize the Kansas City International Airport new terminal as a 2024 OCEA Honor Award.